Welcome to the vlog. So, Halloween is, when this video's up, it'll be tomorrow. And I thought I had an idea for a costume, and then turns out I don't. So we're going shopping today to find myself a Halloween costume because you know, Halloween's been lasting 2 weeks. So I just need a costume, and that's what we're here for. Let's see what we can find. To get some inspiration, Sloan, what are you being for Halloween? Are we going to Ragstock first?
Yeah, I think that's our best bet.
Okay, we can do it. Positive thoughts only.
Yes.
There's so many people here. Everyone's like me. Last minute costumes. Stress.
Ooh, you might be able to find like a share costume. Oh wait, you already have one.
I have a share costume. Like, I could use that.
Don't be a hippie.
No.
I feel like a lot of people are being hippies this year.
Yeah, we're gonna try and stay away from the norm. This is it. This is the winner. Maybe I should be a cheerleader. It's easy. It's oh, I didn't know this said Hornets on it. I could get a top and a skirt. It would counteract that I'm a dancer.
I'm nodding.
Thinking it's honestly the best option. We have a few other options, so we're gonna buy this stuff and then try it on at home because they don't have any change rooms. Okay, I bought multiple costumes, and I know I need one, but we have multiple looks. I'm gonna try, and then I'm just gonna use my best judgment and try to figure out what to wear for Halloween. So this is gonna be like a little try on haul. No, I'm just gonna talk about it. So the first one, we've got basic cheerleader costume. What I like about this is that like it's not like a fake cheerleader costume, like they're actually like recycled cheerleader costumes. And I figured this one's blue. I know it says Eagles on the front, but I figured I could either Photoshop it or just pretend that like I'm a Ravens cheerleader from One Tree Hill. That's kind of, I feel like I need another light. Hold on. And the next thing, this is just an accessory, but I have an outfit plan with it. They are mouse ears. And mouse/cat ears, but I think these are definitely mouse ears. These do not look like cat ears. So I figured I could, you know, duh, I'm a mouse. You know, I could do that costume. So this is probably what I do for that. And then, so many hand gestures. This is a previous costume. This is like a dance costume I have. It's a Sherlock Holmes costume, but it's like the girl version. It's from a tap dance I did, and I figured I could wear this too. So that's another option. Yeah. Moving on. I'm getting hot. Okay, this next one is, it's not really exactly Cher from Clueless, but it's kind of inspired by that. It's from Target. We've got this top and these. It looks like a skirt, but it's actually shorts, but I got it in a large, so it looks like a skirt. So that's another option. And then the last option, you know what? I can't find the last option right now. So I'm just gonna try this on and see how it looks. So let's go backwards. Let's try on the Clueless outfit first and see how we feel.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane.
This is good. Why I don't know how to. Anyways, so I like this one. I would probably like wear my hair down and try to make myself look as Cher as possible. Costume number 2.
Oh, Mickey, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Mickey.
So this top is unbearably tight. I didn't try that at the store. I know you're always supposed to try stuff on the store, but it barely fits. So if I do wear it, I'm gonna have to like pair just like a white crop top with it or a blue something, because It's really tight, but I love how it's like kind of old-fashioned cheerleader, because I know a lot, I mean, I don't know cheerleaders personally, and I'm not one, but like we usually don't wear like skirts like these anymore. So it's kind of like old school 90s. I don't know. It could work. I'm just suffocating. Okay, this costume, I forgot how cool it was. It's got the hat. It also has socks, but I didn't want to put those on. And it's got this, it's literally like a 4-piece set. I forgot how cool it was. Like, don't I look very Sherlock? This might be a front runner. I don't know. Honestly, this is like a really good, like, chill Halloween costume. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to like go full out to where you're wearing like so much, but like it still works, you know, like I'm a mouse, duh. Honestly, it might be a front runner too for me. I think it works. Like the rips in the jeans add a little nice edgy touch. You could add like a, if I really, I'm not going out tonight, but like if I was, I could add like some cute makeup, you know, but I think it could work. I don't, okay, this, I still can't believe the packaging said cat ears. Let me know, this ain't a cat. This is definitely like mouse central. Okay, I'm done. God, I just thought of another idea for this costume. Why is there so many possibilities? So you could do this could be a group effort. Like, you could be 3 blind mice. So just add some glasses, get a stick, and then you and your friends could be 3 blind mice. Okay, this one's like on the same level of laziness as the mouse, but it's still like really cute if you're like a tourist, or that's it. I'm saying, I think you can only be a tourist with this, but I think it's cute. You know, you could also like have a swimsuit underneath, get a lei. It's another like chill costume, you know, and I still can't find the other one. I have one more and I can't find it. It was like a skeleton situation and I'm kind of mad, but you know what? Let's just wrap it up. Okay. We're gonna do a little recap. So the first costume I tried on was Clueless. I like that one. I really like it a lot. The only problem is I'm in Minnesota and our Halloweens tend to either snow, rain, or just be awfully cold. So the only problem with that one is I'm gonna have to wear like layers over it and then take stuff off, and it's just so rating 7.5 out of 10 because I still really love the outfit, but it's also like it's not exactly Clueless, but I do think it's still really cute. I love it for sure. Next one I did cheerleader. That top was just so tight. I really should have tried it on at the store. But I mean, I could like maybe like cut it, because the only where it was tight was like around here. So I can maybe cut it and like try and make it work. If not, I could always change the top like I said. So I would probably give that one a 7 out of 10 because again, it's like gonna be freezing. But it's still really cute. Like I think it could work. Moving on. Next costume. Sherlock Holmes. Great costume. Love it. Loved everything about it. But is it too much? You know, like that one's really full out and I don't know if I'm ready to do that. You know, it's like a 3-piece costume. So I don't know. I'm going to give that one an 8 out of 10 because that one's just a really good costume. Next one. Mouse. I love the ears. Really loving how full out these ears are. I really did like that costume. I think if I don't go with any other costume, it would be the mouse one just because it's cute, it's comfortable, and it gets the point across. So 8 out of 10 for sure. Last one, Hawaiian. Let's be honest, I just threw that one in there because I needed another costume. But I do think it's still really cute. I bought that Hawaiian shirt for like homecoming week in high school, so I've had it for a while, but it works for a costume too, you know? That's it. I think Honestly, the mouse might be my front runner right now. And I thought it'd be the cheerleader costume. But no. Honestly, okay, are these distracting? They're distracting me. So, thanks for watching this Halloween costume shopping DIY try on haul video. It was a lot of fun. I do really like Halloween. It's a lot of fun. I just haven't, this was very rushed and last minute, like, costume shopping for me, and I should stop doing that because I do really like Halloween and I should put more thought in my costumes. I think I'm excited for Halloween. It should be a lot of fun. Let me leave you with a phrase on your way out. If you can't read it, it's spooky season, witches. So go have fun at Halloween and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll see you next Wednesday.